All India Radio presents Morning News. Good morning, I'm Gunmala Kapoor. The headlines. Notification for elections to 55 Rajya Sabha seats to be issued today. WHO urges governments across the globe to step up fight against COVID-19 outbreak. Government imposes withdrawal limit of 50,000 rupees for depositors of Yes Bank for a month. Delhi court issues fresh death warrants for execution of 4 convicts in the Nirbhaya Case for 20th of March. UK court rejects Nirav Modi's bail plea in the Punjab National Bank fraud case for the 5th time. Notification for the biennial Rajya Sabha elections will be issued today. The election for 55 seats of the Rajya Sabha from 17 states will be held on the 26th of this month. Nominations can be filed till the 30th of March and scrutiny of nominations will be done on the 16th of March. The last date for withdrawal of candidature is the 18th of this month. Counting will be held in the evening of 26 March, an hour after conclusion of polls. A maximum of 7 seats are falling vacant in Maharashtra, followed by 6 seats in Tamil Nadu. The government has imposed a withdrawal limit of 50,000 rupees for depositors of the beleaguered private lender Yes Bank for 1 month. An official notification issued by the Finance Ministry said that the cap would stay in effect till the 3rd of April. The limit on withdrawal comes with a few exemptions in cases like medical emergencies, higher education, marriage and other unavoidable emergencies. In a separate release, the Reserve Bank said that Yes Bank's board has been superseded for a period of 30 days owing to serious deterioration in the financial position of the private lender. Former Chief Financial Officer of the SBI, Prashant Kumar, has been appointed administrator for Yes Bank. The RBI has assured depositors of Yes Bank that their interest will be fully protected and that there is no need to panic. In terms of the provisions of the Banking Regulation Act, the Reserve Bank will explore and draw up a scheme in the next few days for the bank's reconstruction or amalgamation. In another development, the SBI board has given the State Bank of India in principle approval to invest in the capital-starved Yes Bank. The announcement came hours after Yes Bank was placed under a moratorium. The World Health Organization has urged governments across the globe to step up their fight against the novel coronavirus COVID-19. WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said that it is high time to act strongly towards containing the outbreak as it is spreading 17 times faster outside China. He also pointed out that several nations are not taking requisite measures to contain the virus. It has claimed over 3,300 lives and infected more than 98,000 people the world over. The Health Ministry is organizing a national-level training workshop today for all the states and hospitals from other ministries on COVID-19 management. The workshop, to be organized in New Delhi, will train the trainers for COVID-19. It will give training on hospital preparedness and non-pharmaceutical interventions, infection prevention, standard precautions, environmental cleaning, disinfection and biomedical waste management, risk communication, community engagement and other aspects to tackle the situation related to the virus. Yesterday, the Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, had said that such workshops will be taken up to the district levels. The Delhi government has directed immediate closure of all government-aided, private, municipal corporations of Delhi and New Delhi Municipal Council primary schools till the 31st of this month. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, in a tweet yesterday, said the decision was taken as a precautionary measure to prevent the possibility of spread of COVID-19 amongst children. Kendriya Vidyalayas in Delhi will also remain closed for primary classes till the 31st of March in view of the coronavirus. The Archery Association of India, AAI, has pulled out its team from the upcoming Asia Cup World Ranking Tournament in Bangkok, scheduled from March 8 to 15, owing to the COVID-19 threat there. This would have been India's first international competition since their return from a 5-month suspension in January, which was lifted after the AAI's election. The Health Ministry has released a list of do's and don'ts in light of the COVID-19 outbreak. People have been advised to observe good personal hygiene and to practice frequent hand washing with soap. When hands are visibly dirty, people should wash their hands with soap in running water. If hands are not visibly dirty, an alcohol-based hand rub would also be worked. Used tissues should be thrown into dustbins immediately, and the basic etiquette of covering the mouth while sneezing or coughing must be followed. People should see a doctor if they feel unwell. For further information, people can call at the Health Ministry and Family Welfare 24/7 control room number 011-2397-8046 and email at ncov2019@gmail.com. For quick news updates round the clock, follow us on our Twitter handle at AIR News Alerts. A Delhi court yesterday issued fresh death warrants for execution of the 4 convicts in the Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case for the 20th of March at 5:30 a.m. Additional Sessions Judge Dharmendra Rana fixed the new date of execution after it was informed by the Delhi government that the convicts have exhausted all their legal remedies. The lawyer for the 4 death row convicts also told the court that there was no legal impediment for the court in proceeding to fix the date of execution. The Supreme Court said yesterday it would examine the legal issue arising out of the Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case on whether there could be a separate hanging in a case where there are more than one death row convicts. The Apex Court said this while hearing an appeal filed by the Centre and the Delhi government challenging the February 5 order of the Delhi High Court, which had said that the 4 Nirbhaya case convicts have to be executed simultaneously. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta appeared for the Centre and the Delhi government, told the bench headed by Justice R. Bhanumati that these convicts have taken the justice delivery system for a ride and made a mockery of it by adopting delay tactics. The bench posted the plea for arguments on merits on March 23rd and made it clear that no adjournment would be given. Prime Minister Nirav Modi will address the inaugural session of the Economic Times Global Business Summit today. He will be addressing delegates from across the world. The broad theme of Global Business Summit 2020 is Collaborate to Create Sustainable Growth in a Fractured World. In Madhya Pradesh, one of the missing 4 MLAs of the ruling Congress, Hardeep Singh Dang, has resigned. He sent his resignation to Assembly Speaker MP Prajapati and Chief Minister Kamal Nath. In his resignation, Mr. Dang said he is saddened by the neglect of his constituency. However, Assembly Speaker has denied receiving any resignation. He said it has not directly been submitted to him. The Speaker said he will take necessary action once the resignation is submitted to him. Chief Minister Kamal Nath also said that he has not received any resignation. A report.
After the resignation of Dang, another missing Congress MLA Bisahulal Singh's son has reported his father's missing in Bhopal. Apart from Hardeep Singh Dang and Bisahulal Singh, Raguraj Kansana and independent MLA Surendra Singh Shera are also missing for 3 days. The political drama in Madhya Pradesh was started from Tuesday, and the Congress has accused the BJP of horse trading. Although the BJP is describing it as an internal matter of the Congress, the impact of this political crisis in the state will also be seen in upcoming budget session of the Assembly and the election of 3 seats of Rajya Sabha. Sanjeev Sharma, AIR News, Bhopal.
The NIA has conducted searches at the residences of 2 absconding members of the NSCN-IM in Nagaland's Dimapur. The searches are in connection with the attack on the convoy of Khonsa West MLA Tirong Abo, in which he was killed. Members whose houses were searched yesterday are Absalom and James Kiwang. A spokesperson of the NIA said that 2 quadcopter drones, 14 rounds of .32 bore ammunition, 22 mobile phones, 3 laptops, 1 tablet, a pen drive, memory cards, CDs and a few documents related to monetary transactions were seized. A UK court has rejected fugitive diamond merchant Nirav Modi's bail plea in the Punjab National Bank PNB fraud case for the 5th time. Nirav Modi was remanded to custody till March 24, 2020, after he appeared before a UK court yesterday via video link from his London prison. Nirav Modi, prime accused in the $2 billion PNB fraud case, is currently lodged at Wandsworth Prison in southwest London. He was arrested in March last year by Scotland Yard in connection with the case. His 5-day extradition trial is due to begin on May the 11th. International Women's Day will be celebrated on the 8th of this month. The government has taken a series of initiatives to empower women. People are using hashtag IWD2020 and hashtag Beti Badhao, Desh Badhao to share uplifting stories in the run-up to International Women's Day. Our Agartala correspondent has filed a report on the life and hard work of tribal women in Tripura.
In Tripura, a 65-year-old tribal widow named Prava Rani Kalai from Kalaipara of Jampujala on the West Tripura, through the practice of rubber plantation, piggery, fishery and other agricultural activities, are earning over 4 lakh rupees in a year. Moreover, she is also giving life support to other 3 unemployed families in her small-scale earning farm. Talking to AIR News, Mistress Kalai said her husband died 30 years ago, leaving 2 daughters. She said she had gone through difficulties to raise her 2 daughters, giving proper education in life. However, with the little land her husband left for them, she worked day and night and could reach this stage, said Mistress Kalai. Rina Numaitem, AIR News, Agartala.
In Mizoram, the biggest and most joyful festival of the Mizos, Chapchar Kut, is being celebrated across the state today. The Chapchar Kut is also regarded as the most popular spring festival for the people of the state. Heavy rain along with thunderstorms hit parts of Delhi and its neighbouring areas yesterday evening, causing a sharp dip in temperature. Heavy rain also lashed the national capital early this morning. The Met Office has predicted more downpour today under the influence of a fresh western disturbance active over northwest India. Strong winds up to 25 kilometers per hour helped improve the overall air quality in Delhi. In Uttar Pradesh, heavy rain accompanied with hailstorms lashed many parts of the state, causing widespread damage to crops. And now for an overview of today's newspapers, it's over to Tanvi Taneja.
Thank you, Gunmala. Information and data on the coronavirus in India can be read on the front pages of most newspapers. The Hindustan Times reports that the number of people under watch is 30,000 with 30 confirmed cases. The paper adds that children are not at high risk of getting infected. The Times of India writes that Sikkim has decided to ban the entry of foreigners to insulate itself from the virus and has imposed a blanket ban for permits to visit Nathula that borders China. AAP's Sahir Hussain held for Intelligence Bureau man's killing in northeast Delhi headlines The Asian Age. And finally, The Asian Age informs us that Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the 19th century ruler of the Sikh Empire in India, has been named as the greatest world leader of all time in a BBC poll. And with that, it's back to you, Gunmala.
Thank you, Tanvi. And now, before we end the bulletin, the headlines once again. Notification for elections to 55 Rajya Sabha seats to be issued today. WHO urges governments across the globe to step up the fight against COVID-19 outbreak. Government deposes withdrawal limit of 50,000 rupees for depositors of Yes Bank for a month. Delhi court issues fresh death warrants for execution of 4 convicts in the Nirbhaya Case for 20th of March. A UK court rejects Nirav Modi's bail plea in the Punjab National Bank fraud case for the 5th time. And with that we end the morning news. Have a nice day.